So we're just doing some more testing in our next Gen Ranger Raptor with the multi-tune setup side of things. So in this we can have 4 tunes and a launch tune. The launch side of things is basically you can utilize it for any sort of switchable action if you would like. So you could have it set up for anti-lag, rolling anti-lag, or any number of other things. It's completely user defined, and it's only actioned while pushing the cruise control button. So that's definitely pretty cool. And then we have steering wheel adjustment between the other tunes that we're offering. So in this case, we've got a general just drive around tune, which is peak performance, high boost. We then offer a low boost tune, a ghost cam setup, and also pops and bangs. So you can select through a range of different gimmicks, but also have it set up in the normal modes if you don't want to have the gimmicks when you're not showing off to your mates. So we'll just run through some of the ways you actually change it. So it's just hold on the steering wheel, you hit the button, and then you can see the tacho move up and down, and that then selects between each one of your tunes. So it's very, very simple to adjust. It is adjustable on the fly, which makes it, really, really exciting and good development for these. So we'll just switch that into pops and bangs and see if you guys can hear it. So that's pretty clear. In this case, we do still have the cats in position, and it is a standard exhaust just with side exits, but yeah, all the factory mufflers are still in place. So that's pretty cool, but yeah, we can switch that off, and then we can switch it over into a ghost cam mode, and we'll pull over so you guys can hear the ghost cam setup that we've currently got going on in this Ranger Raptor. So we'll just show the tune change again on this. And we've now put that onto ghost cam. So I'll just jump out of the car so you can actually have a listen to it. So that is pretty cool. Great tough sound from the V6. And then we can just switch that back to normal. So you can now hear just the factory exhaust note, and we can switch that back into ghost cams again. So yeah, you can drive into the car park with your mates or whatever and show off. We'll just jump back in and we'll go for another drive. One of the good things with our ghost cam setup is we have that got that calibrated so that as soon as you actually touch the throttle and start driving, it switches back to normal mode and it doesn't impact the drivability at all. So yeah, pretty cool feature and really, really refined. So we might just show you a launch tune now. We're not going to do anything wild, but we'll just demonstrate how it will actually hold at a particular RPM and the adjustability of that. So you can set that up there and you can move the toggle up and down, and that will dictate your RPM for launch. So we'll start this pretty low and you'll be able to see it hold. So yeah, really, really good, and just taking the tuning to the next stage with the next Gen Ranger Raptor platform.